14. Cautions on replacement of drive board. Replacement steps of drive board. Step 1. Disconnect the power supply of the system. Make sure the unit has been powered off for at least 20 minutes before operation. Set a warning mark beside the power supply. Step 2. Disconnect all connection wires of the compressor drive board. Remove the screws fixing the drive board and then remove the drive board. Step 3. Replace the compressor drive board. Before the replacement, apply some silicone gel evenly onto the IPM module. Step 4. Install the new compressor drive board properly. Attention! Tighten the screws and connect the wires according to the wiring diagram.